Oh yeah.
Shinda. そうちゃん死んだ。そして輝くトランド。お腹いっぱい。お腹いっぱい。でもつまらなくてもいいものなんでも。
One shot, you're not it's your chance to go. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you are. You better never let it go. Has not proven you. I think it will start raining, maybe. I don't know.
But it's
National animal.
monkey.
Really?
Yeah.
No wonder I love Japan.
So cute.
So small.
Kind of scary. Oh
Choto.
my god.
This one, the most.
Atarashi
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
and Black Sun.
Oh, this is your room, sorry.
Oh.
雨に濡れたら電気が壊れる。これ2枚。
Really. The bug has bright colors and it's toxic. But nothing.
Doesn't
you know.
move. tiny.
It's so thick. It's skin.
Yeah. So ちゃん撮ってみんなを。
危ないです、危ない。Because the tree, if you something, I don't know, if we bumped or something, you'll drop your phone.
Yeah.
Hey, Chocolate.
Are you gonna do it? Minasan, hi ba yo, hi ba yo, hi ba wo. Baby, 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 I don't know. I'm gonna adjust the mirror. I'll buy you a ring. Baby, oh, baby, 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 oh, baby, 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 oh, I thought you'd always be mine. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, yeah, yeah, Taste the better disappear. The fire's in the eyes, but the words are really clear. So beat it, just beat it. You better win it. Just beat it, beat it. Criminal cop, hip and hop and a feeling a minimal swap to uh-oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Please stay, and I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm. It's easy to pretend. I know you're not a fool. Should've known better than to cheat a friend. A wasted chance that I've been given. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I danced with you.
So sad.
あ、子供ここやったら作らんでいいやんって言ってでもこいつさ赤い系やね後半が赤い系やけどこいつ赤い系やね赤かにも
あれ違うと
時期になりました
ツバメの時期になったな。
パンケーキ
じゃあちょっと作るクッキー。よし。
あそこの
かわいい。
あ、 うのタイプ。
まあ風呂入ってないあれ綺麗よ。
どういうことですか？
でかいな。
このね、大きい塊作るの大変だよね。これ。えい。えい。じゃあ結構探すの得意だから。手の近くになるんだよ。みんなできるのに。手の子が。
そうちゃん。
ねえさ、もうみかんなってないな。もうどっちもなってないで。あ、そっちに外あるよ。そっちに外ある。ふふ。
これとこれと
1、2、3、4、
あとは
5、6で、確か1、2、3、4でね、8。
うん
うん
蚊の薬。わーあかわいい。私それね、水が出てくるよ、茎から。
そうで
わざと
わざと
そうちゃん、食べちゃダメだよ。それ悪い。それ腐ってる卵だからね。そうちゃん食べないでね。熱い？
まあ大丈夫だけど。おぎ
Oh my god。
気づかんかった、卵を投げたのに。オッケー。最初なんかね、1本だけにこれがわらび餅といて、ここにわらび餅。
This is where we did the festival.
Oh, it was here?
Yeah, it was here.
We watched the
sakura in bloom. It wasn't.
But the thing that I had to learn was to like make it like a, and then also like a lot of times maybe if my phone had a tiny little bit of liquid on it,
Sorry, yeah.
if my finger was like a little wet or something like that.
何これ
Wait, don't use my strong zero. Because they put so many acorns in my backpack last week.
Acorns.
Yeah. We went to the pier.
Oh.
And I had brought my little backpack. And they put like 10 acorns in my backpack. It was funny though. I appreciate that. That's actually a good prank.
Bless you.
Oh, there go the little plugs. They're out now.
Are they still in? Oh.
Oh! I don't want to know what they look like now. If you pull them out now, it might be bad.
You're gonna be so.
You sneeze with the plugs in. And then you're wiping your eyes at the same time. Well, I guess nothing came out with the plugs in.
This is why you're sneezing. You're rubbing your germs over your face.
That's why her eyes were red. That's why her eye got infected. She sneezed and immediately rubbed her eyes at the same time. Getting the dust through her whole system. Yeah, because, you know, not everybody wants to dye their hair and wants to dye all their hair.
Because I think it's gonna be pretty subtle.
明日何
髪多い。多い。
Dark hair.
No, a lot.
Blood?
A lot.
Oh, a lot.
Oi.
Yeah. And inside is black.
Yeah.
I think it might look fire.
Pink.
Oh yeah, but only in
not-
the front.
It's not half and half.
No.
Oh, this is fine.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. That's what I was like. I was trying to do some math over here. Like,
Light
ありが
brown.
とう、チョンくん。これ大丈夫。
I don't want to do it. I don't want to mess up with hair dye.
Yeah.
Is it
Same
recorded?
for me. That's why I've
My
never.
phone.
Yeah.
What?
Didn't you want that?
Stop it!
I was just talking about why you're recording.
I thought you told Key to record.
Yeah, like he set it up and everything, right? Right for everybody. I'm still recording. Bro. Shoshinsha. Do a fun little pose or something. Yay!
Yay! It's